Hello everyone, I'm ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's move on to the question I have today. So the question is my site is an e-commerce site and one of its blog posts was performing fine on SERP, search engine ranking positions. It means that it was performing fine on search engine, but now it's nowhere. It seemed the page just vanished. Is it because of the Google core update came in August? How can I revive this blog page? I have already optimized and updated it, still nothing. So he also provided me the picture. Let me make it enlarged so you guys have an idea. Okay, so it was over here that he was getting clicks, queries, and then suddenly nowhere, the post was vanished. Okay, so it could be that because I don't know to the pattern of your website and I may need a detailed investigation on what you have did. You might have knowingly or unknowingly sent dozens of backlinks. Is it a possibility that you have sent a dozen of spammy backlinks? Maybe broker links on your website, maybe poor hosting. Did you install some cracked plugins? Because plugins have malware. Someone has inserted malware on your site. I mean, there can be so many reasons. What about the content you are adding? Because most of the e-commerce websites do not have real original content. So how you are looking on the content? Are you adding duplicated content? Because if you have a pattern of adding duplicated content on your website, and if even if this page did not have any duplicate content, yet it was receiving traffic, but the other pages you have added had a duplicate content, then that can be another reason as well. And the question is how frequently you are updating this, how frequently you are updating it, because this is another question as well. Because if you're not frequently updating your website, then this could be an issue as well. And then how frequently you are updating other pages. Okay, there are few tips apart from this which can help you in improving your rankings. So you can create tropical and silo structure, where you can create content similar to that page which was performing fine on your blog, get some social media juice, engagement, some blog links, some blog commenting, and other few links, and this can help you to get it sorted. But again, if you need a technical audit, SEO management services, or even Google Ads or Facebook Ads management services, the details are in the description of this video and how you can reach with to us and work with us. Once again, thank you for watching this video. In case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.